Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here at the Sunnidale dog area in Barrie, Ontario today. We're gonna go and check out this dog area. Dog park, it's all fenced in. This place is huge. It must be at least 5 or 6 acres. Easy. Plus it's got the Sunnidale Park on the other side. And it's also got a water hole there the dogs can jump in and out of. So let's get going. Have some fun. Here's the start of the trail. You're not allowed to bring your motorcycles or anything in here. Parking's just over there. And if you come from the north, of Barrie, you just get off at the Bayfield Street. Go straight through the light. You can park behind Bayfield Mall, Canadian Tire there, or if there's any parking where my car is there, then you can park there. So let's get going. Walk down the trail here. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Wow, nice and breezy. Sun's out, about 23 degrees. Awesome. Hope we see some awesome puppies today. That would be great. Might be a bit early on a Saturday, but look at this place. Hey, look at all the flowers and everything. Whew. Nice. Trails off over there, probably for exploring and stuff. Yeah, cool. Yeah. The only problem of going downhill is you gotta go back up. Looks like it goes all the way down, down. Oh, check it out, eh? Sure has changed a lot since I was here before. There's a little footbridge I had to cross. Pretty cool, eh? Alright, let's carry on here. I wonder how much, how further it is. I think we're getting close. Are we getting close? Are we getting close? I want to see some puppies today. Beautiful puppies. I guess that's it. We're there. Alright. There you go. There's 2 gates here. Open the first gate. And you shut the first gate. And then you go to the second gate. This is so the dogs can't run away, huh? And then you go to this gate. Oopsies. Make sure you lock it. Okay. I guess we're gonna be going to our left here. There's a picnic table area. Oh, this is all fenced in, eh? This is wicked. I don't have a dog, but I was hoping there was more dogs here. But I can show you the park anyway. It's so huge. I'm sure we'll meet some puppies along the way somewhere. I got treats for puppies. We need to see some puppies. This is great. Lots of shade. Lots of trees, lots of trails. This is a dog heaven. Not to mention a people heaven. Yeah, great. Oh look, a little explore for the puppies. Oh, check it out, eh? Wow. It's like an old drainage thing. Oh, it's beautiful. As this dog park in Barrie, Ontario is literally acres and acres. Yep. Amazing. Trails everywhere. Cool. There you go, all fenced in over there. Beautiful area. Look at that, Kate. There's the main trail. Look over here. Oh, a little bypass trail. Cool. 10 trails in one. The highway's over there. There's the highway. That's the 400 just south of Bayfield Street. Okay. Keep going down here. Cool. Surprised you haven't seen any partridge in here. They may not be in here with all the people though. I should say rough grouse. Partridge live in the south. Let's go cut across here. Looks like somebody cuts the grass around here because this should be a field by now. Don't step on any snakies. We wouldn't want that to happen. There's the trail. They're all places to sit. In case you get tired. Because there's a big park, you know. It's huge. Hugest is. Another trail goes this way. Let's go find out what's going this way. I guess that was the other end of that trail I was on before. There's a robin sitting in the trail. Hi, Robin. Hey, Robin. Alright. I'll tell you, you can't pick a more beautiful day to come here. Wow. It's amazing. Completely amazing. But I do want to see some puppies before I leave. So come on, puppies. I love puppies. Can't tell you how much I love puppies. This is beautiful. Imagine how much fun your dog would have here. Hmm? How much fun you have. Go down here, hopefully I don't wipe out. I'll walk sideways. That way I do fall, I won't fall and crack my head open. Wanna go this way too? Woo! Alright. Can't get over how many trails are here. I haven't been in this dog park for probably 10 years. Of course, when I had Riley, right? That was my Riley. We went everywhere together. Someday, I guess, maybe I'll get another puppy. I don't know. I just don't have time. I spend all my time with my YouTube channel, showing everybody the most awesome places to go, most awesome food to eat, most awesome restaurants to visit, and places to visit. Like, after this, we're going down probably maybe CN Tower or something like that. Yeah. But right now, I want to see puppies. Where are all the puppies? Okay. Looks like we come to the... Oh. There used to be an exit there. Can't exit there now? You can only exit one spot. Yeah, there used to be an exit there. Used to go out to the pond, I think. Maybe it's over here further. Let's go find out. There's that steep hill. It doesn't come down. We'll find it before we leave. I want to show you guys the water hole that the dogs can jump into and stuff and play. And I want to show you out the other side to Sunnidale Park as well. Yeah, so beautiful. Oh, maybe this is the exit down here. Oh yes, there it is. I was too far down. That's the other side. Okay, so this is the, I would call the southern exit up here, right there. Yep. So if you go up there with your puppy, there's a water hole over there, and it's awesome. So go check it out while we're waiting for puppies to show up here. Can't leave until we see some puppies, right? We can't leave till we see puppies. Wow, this place is big, eh? Look how big. I don't know, man. You go and go and go forever. Oh, they put a little place up for rain and everything. All this wasn't here when I was here before. None of it. Oh, there's puppies. There's the puppies. Yeah, sure. This is new. This thing right here is new. There's a little board here. So if you lose something, lose your puppy or whatever, you can do that. Yeah. And over here, for rain. Cool. The only thing you're missing is a washroom. I'm not going in. This guy's not coming in here. I want to see his puppy. Well, okay then. We're gonna go for a walk. We're gonna find out. Oh, there's puppies. There's the puppies. Yeah, so that's all new. Brand new. And this here, I guess if you lose your dog, you can put your poster on here. Oh, look at the puppies. Oh, look at the puppies. Nobody coming in here. I'm gonna go walk then. Okay, same deal. Through the gate, one at a time. I'm sure in another hour so there'll be puppies. So yeah. This bridge is new. I think the water hole's over here though. Where is it? I don't think it's over here. I don't go for a walk, but I'm sure it's in there somewhere. Right through that trail, I believe. I believe it's right in here. I'm pretty sure it's in here. Let's go find out. Adventure, adventure, adventure. I'm sure it's in here. Oh, look at it. Listen to all the birdies. Oh, it's so beautiful in here. Oh yeah, the water hole's definitely down here. Don't make trails like this just for nothing. Means it's well walked. Probably a shortcut to Sunnidale Park as well. Yeah, Sunnidale Park. Oh yes, there's definitely a water hole down here. And that is up there. I've been here so long, you know, I forgot what's going on. But I'm sure it's down here. All this water runs into a big pool. And the dogs can just go crazy down there. Look at all the flowers and everything. This place is cool, man. Willow trees. You know you're close to water when you get willows. Or cypress, I guess, too. What is this, campground? Somebody's camping out here. This fucking place. Place where people come and have a little party, I guess. Well, the water hole must be more over here. Well, one thing for YouTube, I'm sure not going to be able to hear any copyrighted music out here. I don't think the birdies copyright their music. Okay, let's be daring. Get wet. Looks like it might be wet. Of course, if I get these shoes wet, that's the end of it. Woohoo! The end of dry feet, wasn't it? See? No, this don't go nowhere. Cross the river for nothing. I crossed the river for nothing. It's a little bit harder going the other way, I bet. I'm thinking. Woo! We did it again. Okay. I don't know where the pool went. Maybe they dug it out. I'm gonna go back out to this road thing here and see where that takes us. Ooh la la, la la la. Ooh la 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 la. Oh, it's so beautiful here. Listen to birdies singing right in my ear. They're only like 5-10 feet away. And they're not scaring me. And that is wonderful. Yeah, so I guess the pool's gone now. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. Hey puppies. Oh, you're so cute. A lot of new stuff. Brand new fucking bridge. Pretty cool, huh? Find out what's around this next corner. Yeah, the swamp area. That's where all that water runs through. Probably a million froggies in there. There's some people. I finally seen people. People. Oh, trail up there too. Way up in there. We'll take that one on the way back. Oh, here's another bridge, so I guess this is going in. Huh? Yeah, look. No fishies. No fish. I don't see any fish. Hello. Oh, you're cute. Look at that puppy. Here. The bulldog. You look tired. They're so lucky. You walk through the park, they don't have to stay home all day. Wait for the owner to come home so you go for a pee. So this goes, sure goes right into the park. But I want to go this way because it's shadier. And it probably goes the same spot. That one probably you can take cars. This one you cannot. Good, we won't get run over. Need to see more puppies. I'm gonna go through the dog park again on the way back. We didn't see it all anyway, we only saw less than half of it. But this is pretty cool too. This is all Sunnidale Park and Sunnidale dog area. And holy smokes, look at it all. It's beautiful. Great place to come if you want to get some recreation. And it's, look at all the shade. I mean, there's tons of shade. You won't die here. In my opinion, it's better than sitting on a beach, but whatever. Only because I love nature so much. Yeah, so this is all part of Sunnidale Park. Sunnidale dog area. The whole thing must be at least 50, 60 more, 100 acres maybe. You got the whole park, Sunnidale Park. That's got to be close to 100 acres by itself. 50 acres, 170, I don't know, 75 acres, whatever. Then you got all this bush area. And you got the dog park. It's like massive. You can bring your kids here and have fun all day. Have a picnic in the park. Take your dog in there to see other puppies running around free. Yeah, great. The only thing they're missing in that dog park is a washroom. They could have put it on that end where we couldn't get out there. And put it there, and then they could get the pump truck to it to clean it out. That's my opinion anyway. But don't get me wrong, the town has done a great job on this park. I always loved Barrie anyway. Always did. I was here in the 90s. I lived here. Long time ago. Well, I'm lucky. I'm sure I'm happy when we come back. We're gonna go down, you know. The air is just so fresh and clean here. Oh, I'm jumping. It's even allowing me to climb this hill. basically without too much breathing. Till I get to the top, I'll be like, I'm dying. Oh yeah, more trail up there. Oh, bike tracks. Used to be a awesome extreme bike track, wouldn't it? Yeehaw! Flying down there. Missed that corner though. You got a few trees to deal with. Thinking not so fun, right? Oh yeah, we'll let you. For sure. Put my camera down when people go by, because you never know if they want to be cameraed or not. So gotta have some respect, right? It's not my place, not my property. So. Oh yeah, park right there. Looks like they're having a soccer match or something. Or in Europe, we call a football match. Hoping it's a cricket match. That'd be cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Sunnidale Park, hey? Ooh la la. Fucking huge. Came out of there. There's a trail over there too. Over there. Maybe out of there. There's probably one way over there too. If you're looking at trails. Let's see. Oh, there's some puppy. I just love puppies. Oh, there's two Asian girls from over there. Oh, they came down the other way. There's all Sunnidale. Look at it. It goes all the way down there. Wanna go for a walk? Let's go walk. Place is amazing. Oh, look at the puppy catching the wind. So, Daddy, what you doing? I'm doing a flip. I'm doing a flippy flip. Hey. Oh, there's some washrooms. Oh yeah, it's big, eh? It's a big, huge park. Yeah, so this is Sunnidale Park in Barrie, Ontario. North of the GTA, Toronto. About 70 kilometers, somewhere around there. Maybe not that much. It doesn't take long to get there, unless it's Friday afternoon. You know the deal. Friday afternoon, every town, everywhere, all over the place. There's more trails. Yeah. Goes all the way down there, way down there. Oh look, you got a zip line here. Hey. Watch the kids zip line it. Zip line. Not very tight. What's this kid doing bouncing there? Once you stop, you're done, kid. Bring the ball back to the front. There you go. There's not enough of a slant to it. Kids just screwing around. Alright. So it's hard to get back up in there. They should put a rope on it so they can drag it back. Sunnidale goes all the way over there. Look how big it is. Zip line. Lots of wind in the camera. Oh yeah, she's just feels so good. get back to the dog park, I'm gonna take this trail here. I haven't been down this one. We came out way over there. So. Looks so nice, eh? Yeah, there's umpteen trails around here. There's water everywhere for the puppies. There's things for the kids to do over there. You got a zip line. You got a full play area. I don't know where that's going. I'm going this way. That's not heading towards the park, the dog park. That's heading away from the dog park. I tell you, it's beautiful. The air in here is just so super fresh. I'm telling you, super fresh in here. Well, I don't want to go down the hole, so let's go up this trail here. It's not in the hole. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Shouldn't quote that guy. A nasty creature. I think we all know who I'm talking about. Mr. Stupid Rogers. Anyway, we don't talk about people on this channel. We only talk about good things on this channel. And Sunnidale Park is a good thing. I give it 4 or 5 only because I haven't seen many puppies. But that's not Barry's fault. I'm pretty much here at the wrong time of day. But that's okay. Should be some over there now, puppies. There's no wrong time of day to be in Sunnidale Park. Well, nighttime probably wouldn't find your way very well in here. That's probably nothing for sure. How'd I end up in the hole again? A different hole. This one. I don't know. We're doomed to walk in the hole, I guess. Cool, eh? Ooh, chuma. Let's see if we can climb this here hill. Oh yeah, we stood here last time, right there. That's when I said if you missed that, you're gonna get some trees. Yeah. Back where we started. Here we go round again. And yeah, you can even park at the Sunnidale Park, have your picnic or whatever, your sports game, and then rip on over here and have a look at the dog park with your puppies. But above all, don't leave your puppies in the sun. Don't leave your puppies in the car in the sun or any other time. Sun, cold, anything. Even their windows are open a few inches, it doesn't make any difference. It gets sweltering in there. Sweltering. You just try to sit in the sun with your windows only open 2 or 3 inches. See how hot it gets. So please, do not leave your puppies unattended in your vehicles. And second of all, do not, please do not walk your puppies on asphalt on hot days, because the asphalt with the sun burning on it is hot, so hot you wouldn't believe it. You can literally crack an egg and fry it on hot asphalt. So the puppy's feet get burnt. You can see them lifting their feet up, especially when they're standing still. Yeah, that means either it's winter and their feet are frozen, or it's summer and you're on asphalt and their feet are burning. So please, and make sure you take plenty of water with you. That's all I got to say about that. Because I love puppies. And let's face it, they're at our whim. I mean, they have to wait for us to take them to go to the washroom, go out for a walk, feed them. Basically, to do anything, they depend on us. Thought I heard breathing behind me. That wouldn't have been good. Unless it was a human or just a dog. Who knows in here? That bear could be wandering around. Probably not, but could be. I doubt it. In the middle of Barrie. But as long as there's a bear out there, there's a chance of it. Especially if people leave garbage all over the place. But this place is spotless. In the bushes, everywhere. The whole place is spotless. There's not a bit of garbage anywhere. So that's good. It's just an all-around good place to bring your family. Above all your pets. There's a guy and his doggy up there. Yeah, what a nice place to visit. Why? Literally, you have birds 5 feet away. 5 feet away. Let's see where he went. Wanna go see? Let's go see. I'm curious to see where he came from. Pretty flowers. Wait. Where are they? Oh, maybe raspberries or blackberries or something. They're on a pretty healthy stem, so there's gonna be a lot of them anyways. Look at all the flowers. Oh, there's way more over there too. And over there. Oh, look at them all. It looks like blackberry season. Watch out for snakes in there. They like blackberries real good. They love blackberry. This place is massively beautiful and massive. You come here with your family and walk these trails, you can spend probably half a day easy just walking trails. You can go anywhere, make your own trails if you wanted to. Right? Doesn't say I had to stay on the trail around here. You can walk just about anywhere. It's a free place. One of the last free places in the world where there are no rules except for no aggressive people and no aggressive dogs. Oh, that's the only rule. And take your garbage with you. Oy. Look at that water. Wow. Right in the middle of the bush. Cool. Never seen it before. That's wild. Yep, some more trails over there. Mosquitoes are out in here. That's okay. Let them have some blood so they can reproduce. That's why mosquitoes bite you, but only the females bite you. So they can get blood to reproduce some more babies. Every time you give blood to a mosquito, you're raising the mosquito population. Isn't that a comforting thought? Yeah, rock and roll. beautiful in here. Where the light shines through the trees. It makes the shot so much beautiful. Yeah. I wonder where this trail goes. Looks like a long one. Oh yeah, perfect place to come. Want to walk with your significant other, your special friend. You walk through here. So nice and peaceful. Nobody yakking in your ears. Nobody squealing tires and busting glass. Serenity at its best. Listen. Just listen. Butterflies over here. You got birds up in the trees. It's such a beautiful place. Barrie, Ontario. You can catch it from Ann Street. From Sunnidale Road. Sorry. Or from behind the Bayfield Mall on Bayfield Street. It's actually right across from behind Canadian Tire. So beautiful. In the middle of the city. Have 180,000 people. Maybe more now. Oh, I know where this is going. This is going over by the road. Over by the highway. Look at all these guys. It's like asparagus. Cool. Don't know what it's called. Anybody knows what all this stuff is called? Can you put it in the description, please? Soft but hard at the same time. It's all these buttercups. Fill me up, baby, buttercup, don't break my heart. Ferns, look at that pot. We know that pot, but all these, the whole mountain of them. Look at them all. All kinds of butterflies and moths flying around. Beautiful place. So if you're stressed out in Barrie, Ontario, you can just come to this park and you can rejuvenate in a matter of an hour, because everything just hits your senses so beautifully. The wet area, probably foggy in there. Don't kill frogs. Don't kill froggies. Don't kill any animals you don't plan to eat. If you don't have no food. coming from the city, you get off at 26 West Sega Beach, Stainer, Bayfield Street, and you turn left, and you get to the first light, and you turn left again, and you're there, right here, right in this beautiful spot. Look at this place, eh? It's so beautiful. Hey, look at all down there. There's the other trail inside the park. It goes into the inside park. You can actually just take a little shortcut here. Just watch where you're walking. You never know what you're gonna step on. Who knows what's making its way through here? Besides us, I mean. Okay. There's no drop off here at the trailer. A little one. Yeah. Okay, let's go find some puppies. So far it's been a pretty dry puppy trail. Nobody wants to come near the camera with the puppy. We're going to change that. We're going to offer puppies some treats. And then we'll see. Uh-oh. You can't get in that way. That's alright. Looks like everybody else walks the fence line too. No puppies. What is going on? Well, I guess I can tell you. It's not usually crowded. Oh, there's some puppies. We have puppies. We have the puppies. Hello. Hi puppies. You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. Hey, look at you, so cute. You're so cute. You can go. Let me call them. So cute. I'm gonna take one more walk through here. I haven't up that hill yet. Creek. How you do? You gotta one door at a time. haven't back here over here yet. That's good. Someplace to sit out of the rain or sun. Nice. Real nice. That's pretty, other than all the trails that go all through this place, eh? I'm sure if you came on a Sunday and you wanted lots of puppies, or later in the evening, I don't find it hot out here at all because there's so much shade. Even if it was 40 degrees here, you would still have lots of place to find shade. There's shade everywhere, completely everywhere. Yeah, well, I'm satisfied with my trip. Didn't see half as many puppies as I hoped we would, but that is an awesome dog park, boy. Like, it's acres and acres and acres and acres. Plus you have the Sunnidale Park there. You have a place to get water for your puppies. It's amazing. It literally has everything. So I'm gonna go out to the gate for the last time today. I sure hope you enjoyed the trip around. This is a beautiful park, I'm telling you. It's very beautiful. So, if you have pets, you don't know where to come for recreation. Like, as soon as you get inside that gate, off comes the leash. Dog goes anywhere it wants. Well, anywhere you tell it, it can go. No vaping, no smoking, and no drinking. Drugs. Everybody knows that. Yes. So there, that wraps that up. That's a beautiful place to visit. Yep. Hello. Hello. How are you? Everybody watching TV? Take it, I'll give you some. I was hoping to see more puppies down there, but got a whole whack of treats.
Thank you so much.
There's hardly anybody down there.
Is there? Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Thea.